double time, hindi na, baka mabagal pa rin.
Sound. Tayo pa rin.
Oo, kasing bagal nung verse. Ganun din. Oo, ganun din.
And I am telling you, I'm not going. Oh, I'm not going. And I am telling you, oh, I'm not going. See, you're the best man I've ever known.
Man! Sino yun? Larnie? Man! Hindi man! You're the best man! Hindi, best man!
And I am telling you,
Man!
I'm not going. See, you're the best man I ever know. There's no way I can ever go. No way.
Best man I've ever
No way.
known.
I'm living without you.
Best man I've ever known.
I'm not living without you.
You're the best man I'll ever know.
Want to be free. See, I'm staying. And you're gonna love me.
Hindi and you. Walang TS yun. And you. Walang CH yun. And you. Hoy, not. Hindi not. Ang not mani. Not.
No way, there's no way. Part of the same place. We're part of the same time. We both share the same love. We both have the same mind. And time we have.
Ay, dapat isusulat nyo lahat na sinasabi kong pointers, ha? This is a Tuesday morning. Yung mga pointers na sinabi ko sa inyo, dapat ayos na yan by Saturday. Dapat ayos na yan by Friday. Kung wala pa rin difference by Friday, ibig sabihin, hindi nyo trinabaho. Ganon kasimple yun. You have 24 hours in a day. Kung paano nyo i-allot yung 24 hours na yun para ayusin yung mga pointers na sinasabi sa inyo from the start, bahala kayo. Remember, lahat ng taong nilalang has 24 hours in a day. Ha? Pare-pareho tayong may 24 hours in a day. Kung 5 hours doon, 4 hours doon, 3 hours doon, di-devote nyo sa mga pointers na nilagay dyan sa inyo, nasa sa inyo yun. Kung hindi nyo ginawa, malalaman natin sa Sabado. If only all of you were as intense as some of you. Wow! Rinig niyo yan? If only all of you were as intense as the few of you that I see. Sadly, not all of you are as intense as some of you. Tagalugin ko, kung kasing tinding kung lahat kayo kasing tindi mag-ensayo nung iilan sa inyo